Hi, hello, excellent slides here. We create excellent presentations. Please remember to like and share this video and subscribe our valuable channel. You can also follow our social media. In this video, I will teach you how to create an oval and a perfect square in PowerPoint. Alright, so let's get started. So let's create a new slide. So right click here and new slide. Alright, and usually if you want to create a new shape, you go to the insert tab, and that's correct. And then you take shapes. And for instance here in rectangles section, you have rectangle. So you just click it and you just draw your rectangle. That's really simple, right? But what if you would like to create a rectangle that is a square? So for instance, as you can see in this case, here we have the size, so 8 centimeters and 16.5 centimeters. And if you would like a perfect square, just for instance type 10 and here also 10. And as you can see now, this is a perfect square because horizontally and also vertically the size is the same. So what's the second way to create a perfect square in PowerPoint? That's really easy, but a lot of people don't know about this trick. You have to just select, let's say, rectangle, and now when you are drawing your rectangle, you have to just pressing Shift key. So as you can see now, if I am pressing Shift key, this is a perfect square, and if I release it, then it's not. So proportions are blocked, right? It's really the same. If you would like to create a perfect oval, you just go to the shapes, you have to look for an oval right here, and as you can see, if you are not pressing Shift, there is a, let's say, ugly oval, but if you are pressing Shift, there is a perfect oval. So proportions are blocked. Alright guys, it was really quick tutorial, but I think it was valuable for you. Please subscribe our channel. You can also share this video to your friends, because like I said before, Shift key, you will be using this feature really a lot in your projects. So have a great day and lead a happy life. Excellent slides.